lesson on savings accounts is going to talk about withdrawals and how to make those withdrawals. So a withdrawal, remember, from our checking account unit is money that's taken out of the bank. So when you go to the bank and you need to take money out, that becomes a withdrawal. All right, so how do you make a withdrawal? So first you're going to have to fill out a withdrawal slip and give that to the bank. So your withdrawal slip should have the date. You have to have your savings account number on that. And usually you don't have a book of withdrawal slips for your savings account like you do with your checking account. So you're filling out a blank one. So that's why you have to be sure to put your savings account number in there. Then you're going to write the amount withdrawn in words with cents expressed as a fraction of a dollar. So that's the same way that we did that on a check. Then you're going to write it in words, and then you're going to write it as a numeral. And then, of course, because you're withdrawing the money from your bank account, you'll be required to put your signature on the withdrawal slip so that they can verify that that's your account. All right, so let's just practice writing our numbers in words and as numerals. So remember, when you're filling out your withdrawal slip, you should use a pen to verify. Usually you use a blue or a black ink pen. So the first one is $60. So to write that on your withdrawal form, you're going to write 60. And like we did as a check, we're going to verify that there are no cents. So I'm going to write the change as a fraction. In this case, there's no change, so I'll write 00 over 100. Or as we've done before, you can also write double X's out or no change. Okay? For our second one, we have to write $280.50. Remember, when you get to that decimal, that decimal becomes and. So I'm going to write this as 280 and 50 over 100. And I don't want to forget the dollars just in case it's not already on the slip. So let me go back here and just remind ourselves that we need to have dollars in there. Sometimes it's already on the slip. All right, so number 3, we're going to convert that to a numeral. So it's 98 and 75, and that should be 75 over 100. So that should be 98 and 75 cents. $98.75. For our last one, it should say 6,586 and 95 out of 100. So $6,586.95 would be our withdrawal. So you have to make sure you can write it both ways. So let's look at what a withdrawal slip looks like. So here's our example of our withdrawal slip. It says you want to withdraw $345 from your savings account. Please fill out the withdrawal slip from your bank. So I'm going to write the date. So today is December 3rd, 2020. And we're going from account number 5293614. And we're going to withdraw 300. So I'm going to write this in words. 345 and 0 change, and you can see that they already presented us with the dollars, and I'm going to write that numerically. So here's my decimal, so I want to line up everything on my decimal as 345, and then I would fill this out with my signature. Now make sure your signature is typically in cursive writing, so if you need to practice that, go ahead and do so. Our second one, it says today you also need to withdraw $2,576.85 from another account. So this account number is 0479562, and today is still December 3rd, and our amount is $2,576. Ooh, I'm running out of room. And 85 out of 100 is our change. So I'm going to put that, I'm going to line up my decimal and put my 85 to the right. That's 6752 and my signature. So your first, last, sometimes you put a middle initial, however you sign it at your bank is how you should sign it every time so they can match that signature that they have on file. And that's how you fill out a withdrawal form to take money out of your savings account. Hope you have a great day.